single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day I'm gonna make.
How to build a doorbell in Minecraft. So let's get started. Now, so the things you will need is I'll go for oak wood. Our door is this oak door, and our stone bricks is this, and we need this redstone dust. Need a button. That's what we need. So anything blocks you want. So, and this redstone repeater, or this. You need this. If it doesn't work, you should go with redstone repeater. I think that's. Oh wait, forgot the notebook. Then now you're gonna go for 2x3 dig. Two. There we go. Just like that. There we go. Then place 2 note blocks at the back and here. Then this will be in here. Wait. Yes, it's redstone repeater. Sorry guys, it's redstone repeater. There we go. Then click it. 2, 3. Then this at the back, press them once. Then this will be 17. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. There this 13. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Now we're just gonna go cover it up. Then you're not gonna touch anything of the note blocks, or it will get destroyed. Yeah, just like that. There we go. Now we need to go with this. Then place 1 block here, 1 block here, 1 block over here. There we go. Then place redstone here, then this redstone repeater. Just face over there. Then you're not gonna take this, that, and that. Then let's just test it. Yeah. So that's how you build an doorbell. So now let's cover it up. Guys, don't you just copy this. This is just my oh no. So there. Can you just cover it up? And you're just gonna go press this. Wait, let's try it wooden. In wood, because it doesn't need. See, there we go. Then press this. Then you go in, and that. So that's, guys. This is the end of the video, and oh, goodbye.